Murmu will be addressing the joint sitting of both houses. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will table the economic survey tomorrow, after which the budget will be presented on Sunday. Now, ahead of day one of the budget session, the government convened an all-party meeting. Speaking to the media after the meeting, the Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju requested all the parties to cooperate in the running of the session smoothly. The opposition, however, wants discussions on the G-Ram-G Act and the SIR exercise during the session. Rejecting this demand, the centre made it clear that once the law is before the country, we must follow it and cannot go back to the past.
Once the law is before the nation, we have to follow it. Once a bill is placed in the House, passed by the Parliament, becomes an act, and in the process of implementation, we can reverse the gear and bring back and go back to the past. It cannot happen. And moreover, members are free to raise the issue, but we have to follow the constitutionalities, rules, regulations, and
so viewers, the G-Ram-G Act, which replaced the 2-decade-old Manrega from the Congress era, was passed by the Parliament in the last month's winter session. Its passage had sparked intense protests from opposition lawmakers who criticized the new name for invoking Lord Ram rather than Mahatma Gandhi and opposed the provisions that they described as feudal, warning that these could undermine job guarantees for the rural poor. According to sources, the opposition members are also seeking debates on SIR, US tariff on India, foreign policy issues, concerns over air pollution, and also the overall state of the economy, among other pressing matters.
अपने राज्य के मुताबिक अपने के मुताबिक मांग करते थे, बाकी कुछ खास एजेंडा क्या है? प्रदूषण का एजेंडा है। एजेंडा क्या है आप सोचो ना। पॉल्यूशन वाटर है, SIR का मुद्दा आ गया है, पानी की कमतरता आ जाएगी, तो आगे चल के क्या करोगे? नदी जोड़ प्रकल्प पर क्या हो रहा है? SIR पे डिस्कशन करो, प्रदूषण पर डिस्कशन करो, कॉलिंग की अटेंशन आनी चाहिए। महिला मिसिंग है, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट बढ़ रही है, तो दीज आर द ऑल इश्यूज व्हिच वर प्लेस्ड बाय एवरी मेंबर कि अपने अपने राज्य के हिसाब से भी कोई कुछ मुद्दे उन्होंने उठाए और उसकी चर्चा की मांग की, चर्चा नहीं हुई।
इस बजट से कुछ भी किसी को मिलने वाला नहीं। जिस देश में 20%, 50% से कम लोग जो हैं, ज्यादा लोग जो हैं, उनके पास केवल 10% संपत्ति है। बजट क्या किसको देने डाला है? उन्हीं को देने वाले जिनके पास संपत्ति।
See, there is a near consensus in the opposition rank that many pertinent issues like the foreign policy of Government of India, the stand of India with regard to the whole gamut of things that are happening in the global politics, the board of peace of Donald Trump, and how we should respond to the issues that's happening in Greenland, in Palestine, in Iran. And we are surprised that there is a deafening silence on the part of the Government of India. And on this FTA also we need to have a discussion.
My colleague Nyamika is joining us on the broadcast with the details of what the opposition strategy is going to be. And Nyamika, the government has reached out to the opposition to say that this is the budget session and there are laws that have been passed already. Why debate it? What is the word from the opposition? What is their strategy going to be going into the parliament session?
Yesterday, the customary all-party meeting had taken place in which all the opposition parties have raised certain concerns regarding the G-Ram-G Act, as they wanted that the government should discuss it further, because basically the opposition parties are demanding that Manrega should be implemented in its original form. They are making this allegation against the government of India that this new act is basically a target, an attack upon the rights of employment for the workers, for the poor people, and it has also increased the burdens upon the state governments, and that is the only reason why a strategy is also being formulated by the Congress party in particular, because yesterday in the parliamentary strategy group meeting, the Congress party has made their stand very clear that they are going to continue with this demand of implementation of Manrega in its original form. This is the concern which they are also going to raise in this parliament session, which is going to be started from today onwards. However, the government of India has also made this very much clear that when a bill has already been passed in both the houses, in Lok Sabha as well as in Rajya Sabha, then it is the responsibility of each and every member of parliament to follow it, as it is the Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju who has also given this statement that the government cannot work in a reverse gear. When this act is already been passed, then there is no point of raising this demand by the opposition parties, as he has also stated that the opposition does have the right to speak, but they should also listen, as he has also made he has basically urged the opposition parties to let the house function in a smooth manner, because now the budget is going to be tabled by the finance minister on February 1st. So there is another round of meeting which is going to take place of all the floor leaders of the India bloc parties at 10 o'clock, which is going to be held in the chamber of leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, where they are going to prepare the floor strategy, because apart from Manrega, the another issue which they are going to raise is about SIR as well as the foreign policy. We have seen that how the opposition parties are targeting the government of India regarding various issues, including the statements which are being given by the US President Donald Trump against our country, the way in which tariffs have been imposed upon our country. The opposition parties are questioning the Prime Minister and the government of India that why there is continuous silence on their part, the manner in which there is a kind of dominance which is being shown by the United States. So all of these issues are going to be taken up. Congress party has also decided to question the government regarding the contaminated water in Indore as well as in Gandhinagar. That is also going to be discussed in today's India bloc meeting, that how they are going to take it forward. So it is going to be a very interesting parliament session, as this time also the Congress party is continuously targeting the government of India regarding the economic state of this country.
Okay, all right. So yet again, we're going to see ruckus. Niyamika, thank you for joining us with those details. A lot expected in